So I'm gonna tell you iOS 26.4. If you just updated your iPhone, don't just stop there. Do these steps right away for better performance, battery life, and security. So first, restart your iPhone after the update because this helps finish background processes and can smooth out lag or heating issues. Second, check your battery for the next 24 hours. After major updates, indexing and background syncing can temporarily drain battery faster. That usually settles down. Third, go to settings, general, software update, and make sure there isn't a small follow up patch like 26.4.1 already available. Fourth, explore the new features. iOS 26.4 added updates like emoji, keyboard improvements, Apple Music changes, and other quality of life upgrades. Fifth, if the new liquid glass effects feel too intense, turn on reduce motion or reduce bright effects in accessibility settings because many users miss this. Sixth, review privacy settings because some apps may request permissions again after updates. So check location, photos, and notifications. And lastly, free up storage because if you're low, updates run better when your iPhone has breathing room. So do these after major iOS update and your iPhone will feel cleaner. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.